Welcome, today I'm with Xiaomi 11T from the European distribution, and we are going to check if this device comes with protective case, silicone case in the box. As you can see, we got here some tool, paperwork. Okay, let's try to put it on the phone. As you can see, it's flexible. Okay, and as you can see, this case protect volume buttons. We got good access to the power key with fingerprint sensor. At the bottom we can find speakers, USB-C input. Let me just catch focus. Okay, there's this SIM tray. This bumper at the back comes a little bit above the camera set, and the same when you take a look on the front screen. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.